Welcome to our exciting journey into mobile animation with CapCut. Today we'll dive into creating 3D scenes, animated backgrounds, slow motion, zoom effects, storyboards, loop animations, and seamless transitions. Let's bring your creativity to life. Now let me carefully explain how to animate an AI image and create a stunning 3D scene from a simple 2D photograph, step by step, as you can see here. To start, we always use our phones for this process. Now, let's go to the AutoLS app, where you can easily edit the text as shown here. Now let's also go to this section where you can easily add your AI image. Just follow along carefully, and we'll go through the steps together to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. Here you will animate it by clicking on Generate, and if you're not satisfied with the result, we can explore other options. If you ended up with a 2D image but want a 3D effect, we can't create a full 3D scene, but we can definitely try some options. Now let's explore some options together. For instance, we can easily add a video here, as you can see, just like we did before. Now as you can see here, we want to enhance this forest scene to make it more beautiful. Let's go ahead and explore this option. We start by selecting the first options, adding a bit to make it brighter, and then we move on to the next step. Now let's add a bit of context here. After that, we click right here and carefully add a little more to enhance the scene. We can even add a bit of light like this, as you can see, and also slightly reduce it for a more balanced effect and atmosphere. The most important thing is that we can go here, but this requires a subscription, so make sure you have it ready. If you're not satisfied with the result, let's adjust it a bit. You can set it to 70, and we can explore other options together. If you don't like the light, we can carefully reduce it a bit more here too. Basically, you will have a lot of options, and you can also add some cool filters to enhance it further. This filter is truly amazing, as you can see here. It's absolutely the best one ever. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now. Now, let me carefully explain how to create an animated AI background in CapCut on your phone. It's simple and very easy, as you will see here. It's incredibly easy and straightforward. First, you simply need to go here, add your desired background, and start creating your animated AI masterpiece. Your background and manually adjust everything here. The AI is available, so you can add some retouching for a stunning look or enhance it further. To make it look beautiful, or something else, but I believe no one will want to fuss with that, as you can see. Simply enter the AI Tools section. Select the Text to Image feature, and here you can either type in your desired input or choose an existing image to get started on your project. Simply put, we have an image, for example, a stunning picture like this one. And here you will find everything you need to create your animated AI background effortlessly. You have your prompt ready, and here's the image you need. Simply click on it, and you will see the options unfold before you. Let's go through this step by step again. Now, let's carefully discuss how to remove unwanted elements. Simply delete them, as shown here. Once you've done that, save your image, and yes, that's all there is to it. Here's your prompt saved, as you can see here. Now, simply press Generate, and this stunning image will be created instantly for you. And of course, you can simply go to ChatGPT, ask it to write a prompt for you, and it will generate one instantly, just like that. Here, as you can see, there are many amazing AI backgrounds available, like this cool astronaut design. Additionally, you can find stunning anime styles too. There are many cool backgrounds available, like this adorable cat design. Thank you all for watching, everyone. Wishing everyone good luck, and saying goodbye now. Now let me carefully explain how to create AI slow-motion videos using CapCut on your phone, step by step, for your convenience and enjoyment. Now, let's open CapCut and carefully add your video. For instance, we can use this video. Click on Add twice, just like this. Great. Now we're ready to proceed with editing. Now, let's move to the next step. We click on your video and carefully look for the option labeled Speed to adjust it. Now let's carefully select the center option, where you will find a couple of really cool slow-motion video effects that you can use to enhance your footage, creating stunning visual experiences. You can choose something like this, right? Here the girl walks slower and then speeds up, creating a captivating visual effect that draws attention. Now, as you can see here, you will watch this. The girl is walking. Here it was fast and then it continues at a normal pace, creating a dynamic visual experience. There's something really interesting here. She moves quickly, then slows down, and finally goes at a steady, moderate pace, captivating all. There are a couple of transitions available here. You can experiment with different options to find what suits your needs best. Feel free to choose whatever you like most. And of course, you can simply enter here and choose the speed you need for your video. Just like that. It's that easy. Thank you all for watching this video. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye for now. Now let me explain how to create zoom in and zoom out animations using AI and CapCut on your phone. This process is simple and fun, allowing you to enhance your videos creatively and effectively. First, let's open your CapCut app and carefully add your chosen video or photo to start the editing process. What do you need, as you see here? Now, let's add your media here. Next, we carefully click on the Effects option to explore available choices. Video effects, as you can see. Here, we carefully type in AI Zoom, as shown. As you can see, I already have the AI Zoom effect here. Now let's choose your AI Zoom effect right here. There are many cool zoom effects available here. We can also type in something like AI Motion, as you can see here. This will give us a variety of motion effects to choose from. Just explore the options available, and you'll find some fantastic effects that can really enhance your video. Let's dive into it. Yes, we also have these amazing effects here. Just type what you need and explore the options. Yes, add AI to your zoom so that CapCut can recognize it easily here. What you need is specifically AI zoom effects. As you can see here, there are many different zoom effects that might suit your needs perfectly. That's pretty much everything, really. Thank you all for watching this video today. Good luck to everyone, as you see. And everyone, goodbye for now. Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to create an AI storyboard for your video using the CapCut app right on your phone. Let's get started. First, you need to write a script or simply ask your GPT chat to create one for you. This will serve as the foundation for your project, ensuring clarity and direction. Next, you must create a visual for each scene to enhance storytelling and engage your audience effectively. In your CapCut app, there is a fantastic feature called Text to Image, which allows you to create unique visuals for your scenes effectively. Here, as you can see, you can create various unique images for each of your scenes to enhance storytelling. Now, let's move to the first scene, where we will talk about some fascinating animals together. Here, you will write a prompt about animals. Create an image for me that features various animals and make sure to describe their characteristics vividly and engagingly. Or you can simply enter the GPT chat and ask it for help, as you see. Or simply find a prompt here if this image suits your needs perfectly, as you can see right here. For example, regarding space, as you can see here, simply add this prompt, click Generate, and you'll have an amazing image ready in no time, just like that. And after that, you need to add voiceover here, which is done very simply, as you can see, making it easy to follow along. Simply enter this section, carefully add your images, then click on the text option. After that, proceed to add your text, making it all come together perfectly. You add various text, then click Done, and after that you simply press Text to Ship, As you can see here, very easy. Here you can choose any voice you like that will perfectly narrate your video, making it engaging and enjoyable for viewers. And that's basically everything. There's truly nothing more to add. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you good luck, and goodbye. Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to create a looping animation easily. You can create amazing animations using AI and the CapCut app directly on your phone, as you can see here. First, you open your CapCut app on your device, carefully. Now, let's move to the next step. Click Add Video. And here you can add any video you like. Video clip here. Let's take, for example, this video clip right here. You've added it. Now, what do you do next? Let's see. Now, carefully enter your video and tap on it. Then select. Now, as you can see here, select Effects, then Video Effects, and here you can start entering your desired settings. I already have it, as you see. Now, let's explore the animation options available. There are many different animations available, but you can also explore additional options. Let's create AI animations together, as you can see. Well, it's simply AI, as you see. AI animations here. That's all for now. Now, as you can see, CapCut instantly understands that you need those AI animations. Here we have an AI animation that changes hair color, as you can see. Well, actually, let's dive into this topic. Next, you can also type in something like this, as you can see, for better results. An effect that makes it look great. Let me quickly write this down now. Now, let's discuss the animation process in detail, as you can see. Alright, we have successfully completed the writing process now. So, as you can see, now you have a lot of really cool options available to explore and enjoy in your project. AI animations here. You can watch it right away. Here's a cool animation, but it's very unique. There are many options. Thank you all for watching this video, as you can see. Good luck to everyone, and goodbye for now. Now, let's explore how to create stunning AI transitions in CapCut on your phone, making your videos truly stand out creatively. First, let's open CapCut and carefully add your video where you'd like to see a stunning transition effect for your project. Now let's add it all and move to the next step. Now we have this video, right? Or let's choose another one instead, shall we? For example, let's choose this one and then carefully add it. Now we need to add a transition. To create a smooth transition, you need to click on this video and then carefully split it. That's all, folks. Now you have a little dot appearing here. See? Now, as you can see here, we click on it and carefully select the AI transition option for a smooth effect. Now we simply click on Generation, and that's it. However, as you can see here, this transition isn't very cool, unfortunately. Sure, it's an AI transition, but honestly, it's not that great. We can simply add an AI transition, but now let's choose one from the section where there are more exciting transitions available for better effects. As you can see here, more AI transitions are found under the 3D section. We enter and carefully choose from a wide variety of exciting 3D transitions, just like the impressive AI ones you see here. Choose what you like best from the exciting options available. That's it! You can use both these transitions and the impressive AI transition we just created together. However, I suggest you try using these amazing AI 3D transitions for the best results, as you can see here. Here it is now. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. Now that you've mastered animating AI images, creating backgrounds, slow motion, zoom animations, storyboards, loops, and transitions in CapCut, it's time to practice and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share your amazing creations with us.